This is Boo from Mama Boo's Kitchen. I hope everybody have a great day. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make easy peanut butter blossoms. This recipe is so easy, guys. You just mix everything together, then you bake. So let's get right into it. You know Mama Boo doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start off by preheating our oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour, sanding sugar, salt, light brown sugar, milk, granulated sugar, shortening, Hershey kisses, 1 egg, peanut butter, baking soda, vanilla, and peanut butter flavor. We're gonna start off by mixing our dry ingredients. In goes salt, baking soda, sugar, and brown sugar. Then I'm gonna mix everything together until combined. Into my bowl, I'm gonna add shortening, peanut butter, I'm gonna mix this to combine. Then I'm gonna add my flour mixture, milk, one egg, vanilla extract, peanut butter flavor. And mix this. We're gonna portion our cookie dough into small balls and roll them in the sugar just like so, guys, this size. Then we're gonna roll them in here and into the cookie sheet. Our cookies are ready now. We're gonna bake them at 375 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. So at 30 minutes I'm gonna pull them out and put the Hershey kisses on top, then bake them again for another 2 minutes. So into the oven, I'll see you back in 13 minutes. While our cookies are baking, I'm gonna unwrap our Hershey chocolate kisses so that they can be ready once I remove the cookies from the oven. It's been 30 minutes. We pulled our cookies out. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna place the Hershey kisses on top just like so, guys. Don't worry about the cracks. It's enough. That's how they should look. I'm gonna pull them back for another 2 minutes. Cookies are baked. Now we're gonna let them cool in the sheet pan for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. There you have it, guys. Peanut butter blossom cookies. With this recipe, I use shortening because the combination of shortening with the peanut butter ensure that these cookies stay chewy. You can also use mini butter cupcakes, candy coated chocolates, caramel filled chocolate, candies for some variety. There's something that I want you to be aware of. When you press in chocolate candy, the warm cookies normally cracks, and that shouldn't bother you at all, guys. You can also freeze these cookies up to 2 months. Just place cookies in a single layer between parchment or wax paper, cover with the lid, then pop in the freezer. So to thaw them is so easy, guys. You just let them stand uncovered at room temperature for 1 to 1.5 hours, maximum of 2 hours. So if you like the video, guys, just give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and please guys, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honey.